Two minds connect where silence holds the key.